possible. Locations impacted include Emmaus, Kutztown, Fleetwood, Topton, Valley, Bechdelsville, Lyons, Ancient Oaks, Zionsville, Boyertown, Marconi, and Albertus. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania.